Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 7 science chapter 5 acids, bases and salts. This is a very interesting chapter because it gives a special idea about the chemical behavior of these substances. Substances shows acidic nature. Some are behaves like a bases and some behaves neither acid nor bases, that's why they are called salts. So let us try to understand one by one about the acids, bases and salts. But before the starting of this topic, we use some dyes or chemicals to test whether a given substance is an acid or base. And these dyes or chemicals are called indicators. We use to test whether a substance is an acid or base it is identified by using chemical or dyes which are called indicators. Why this is called indicators? Because they indicate the given substance is an acid or a base. That's why they are called indicators. And these are the chemicals. Some indicators are natural indicators. Natural indicators means they are exist in nature and we obtained from the nature, and some are man-made indicators, or we can say that synthetic indicators. These are the dyes or chemicals. These are called synthetic indicators. Okay. Synthetic indicators are obtained from the chemical combination of substances, but natural indicators are litmus paper, China rose and turmeric. All you know what is turmeric. The litmus, China rose and turmeric are used as a natural indicators because they are easily obtained from the nature. And they used to test a substance whether it is a base or a acid. How can we indicate these substances? Litmus, China rose, and litmus and turmeric are used. How can they detect a substance is acid or a base? When we use these indicators in the substance, they make their color change, and the change of color signifies that the given substance is a acid or a base. So what color they change, it is the main idea or main point to understand about these indicators. One of the synthetic indicator is phenolphthalein, phenolph, phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein. This is a synthetic indicator, means it is obtained chemically. And another one is methyl orange, but it is not in your syllabus. You will study about methyl orange in your higher classes. But if we talk about the synthetic indicators, there are two synthetic indicators: phenolphthalein and methyl orange. And natural indicators are litmus paper, China rose, and turmeric we use to detect whether a given substance is a acid or a base. So let us begin with that. First of all, what test litmus paper is shown with the acid or with a base? Litmus paper naturally are of two colors available. One is blue litmus paper, and the another is red litmus paper. And how can we detect whether a substance is an acid or a base? This is based on the change of color of this litmus papers. If blue litmus paper, if the blue litmus paper changes to red in color, with a substance, then the given substance is, then we can say that the given substance is an acid. An acid. It means if the blue litmus paper changes into a red in color with a substance, then we conclude that the given substance is an acid. Means if you put a blue litmus paper into a substance and it changes its color into a red color, then the given solution or the substance is an acid in nature. And next is, if the red litmus paper changes its color into blue, while with a substance, then we can say that the given substance is a base. More clearly, we can understand this logic with the mnemonics like Abir. If we write Abir, A for acid. Acid change the blue color litmus paper into red color. Means if we put a blue litmus paper into a substance and it change into a red color, then we conclude that the given substance is an acid. So you can learn this concept with the logic or mnemonics Abir. Acid changes blue litmus paper into red color. Blue litmus paper into red color. If we change, then we can say that the given substance is an acid. Another one is already we can clear if we clear this point. So how can we connect? If a red litmus paper is changed into a blue color, then the given substance is in base. Just reverse of this mnemonics. Okay, thank you.